We want to evaluate the sine inverse of sine 135 degrees. And since sine inverse and sine are inverses of each other, it's tempting to just say 135 degrees, since I know the inverse of a function composed is just the input. But sine inverse, so sine inverse of sine of x gives me back just x, but only when x is within that restricted domain that we set for x in order to make that function 1 to 1. So only when x is between negative 90 degrees and 90 degrees. So in this case, it's 135 is not in there. So we need to work a little differently. So first think about sine of 135 degrees when we work inside out. So sine of 135 degrees gives me radical 2 over 2. And then I want to take the sine inverse of that, but within the range of sine inverse. So sine inverse has a range of negative 90 degrees to 90 degrees. And looking at my unit circle, on the right-hand side of my unit circle, sine inverse of, when sine is radical 2 over 2, is at 45 degrees. I'm keeping it in degrees since my original question was in degrees.